8. Validate binary search tree. We'll be given a binary tree and we need to determine that if the tree is valid BST or not. To be a valid BST, a tree must the left child of it should be less than its value and the right one should be greater than that value, and not also those cannot be equal. This have to be greater and this one have to be less. And also the subtree of the following, or the child of the nodes, also should have the same property, like the left one should be less and the right one should be greater. And this example we can see that the left one is less and the right one is not greater, so it's not a valid one. Okay, so if we go to the code, what actually we're doing here, to solve any binary tree or any tree problem, we can use recursion, and a very common practice is to add a helper method to call the recursion. And here I have added an edge case. Actually, if the node is none, it's going to be valid BST. And what we have actually checked here is we are checking here the left one is less than the upper value, and it can be low to any value. So we are assuming that the upper boundary is going to be the infinity and the lower boundary going to be here 2. So actually we can define the upper and lower boundary for each node. For first one, we have determined is it's going to be infinity, it can be anything. And the left one, 2, is going to be the upper boundary, and for right one, 2 is going to be the lower boundary. So what we have done here is we have checked that we are using the following condition, that upper boundary we are not crossing, or the value is not equal to upper and lower, and then we have updated the upper and lower boundary. For left node, we have added the current node's value as upper, and for the right node we had added the lower boundary as current node value. That's it. Thank you.